owl. An owl flew to an oak tree at the end of the forest to pick up his food every night. The other owls asked him, "How do you get your food so easily?" The owl said, "One night I saw a half-chopped bark of an oak tree. It was full of insects and mice. When I tried to catch the mice, they ran away quickly. So I thought of an idea, and I brought wheat to feed the mice. Soon they became fat and healthy. They could not run fast either. They thought I was their friend and waited each day for me to bring them food." He continued, "I brought food for the mice faithfully. Then I started picking up one mouse each day and took it home to eat. In this way, the clever owl did not have to search for food ever again." The other owls were so impressed that they appointed him as their king. The Revengeful Woodcutter. One day, a woodcutter's son threw a stone at a snake. The upset snake bit the boy and he fainted. Even after the cure, the boy was in great pain. When the woodcutter saw this, he was angry and wanted to take revenge. So the woodcutter took his axe and hit the snake. However, instead of the snake's head, he cut off his tail. The snake was in great pain, but he quickly slithered back into his hole. The woodcutter sat for a long time outside the snake's hole, waiting for him to come out. Then he thought, "What if the snake comes back for revenge and bites me? I must become friendly with him." So he put some bread and milk in front of the hole. When the snake saw this from his hole, he called out, "Woodcutter, as long as you cannot forget your son's pain, I cannot forget my tail. There cannot be peace or friendship between us." The woodcutter understood and went away. The Sly Tortoise. Once a hungry tortoise found out that some birds were preparing for a great feast up the high wall outside the forest. So he gathered feathers and stuck them to his body. The birds did not recognize him and asked, "You have the most unique feathers. Who are you?" The Sly Tortoise replied, "My name is All of Us. Help me fly with you." The birds carried the tortoise to their feast. Seeing the food, the tortoise asked, "Who will eat all this food?" The birds replied, "All of us." The tortoise ate all the food, saying, "That would be me." The angry birds pecked till all his feathers fell off and left him on the high wall. The tortoise requested, "Tell my wife to lay out mattresses so that I may land safely." However, the birds told his wife to bring out the furniture. When the tortoise jumped, he fell on the wooden furniture and broke his shell. The Handsome Stag. Once a stag was drinking water at a forest pool. He saw himself in the clear water. "How handsome I am," he thought. "My antlers branch from my head like young trees. My coat is smooth and glossy. My eyes sparkle like stars. I only wish that my legs were sharper. They are so long and thin. I am ashamed of them." Just then, the stag heard the sound of a huntsman's horn. He dashed away through the forest, his long thin legs bearing him swiftly. The forest grew thicker, and suddenly his great spreading antlers got caught in the branches of a tree and held him there. He struggled to escape, but his antlers held him fast. He was able to break away only when the huntsman and the hounds were very near. How foolish I have been, thought the stag. My splendid horns are the cause of trouble, while my thin legs have saved my life.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.